Today I'm gonna move the mattress for my French friend. So let's go now. Here is Seoul. 안녕하세요. This is the loft style. Rent is 900,000 won. Pretty expensive. So where is your mattress?
So everything is upstairs.
Upstairs?
And we have to take it downstairs.
I guess for this, only 2 people is okay.
But the mattress, also the bed frame, we have to take down.
I think it's not so heavy.
You'll see, it's a little heavier than you think.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna, and it's hard to grab because the drawers, like they slip out easily, so you need to grab it well.
I think it's okay for 2 people.
Oh yeah, okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Whoa. Good job. Whoa.
You should call AC.
Yeah.
Real kick is too weak.
Yeah.
But actually, before contract, if you ask about this landlord
Yeah.
in advance, then she would change this before.
Yeah, but the thing is, before the contract, how can you know this is a problem?
I mean, like you can just turn the AC and then just stay here for like 5 or 10 minutes. Then
Yeah, I didn't think of that, sadly.
yeah, you know, like just like every time, if it's after contract, then landlord doesn't want to do something for you. But like before,
Yeah, they want
if
you.
you ask, then they will say like, of course.
Yeah, everything works.
Theo.
Hello everybody. How are you?
I'm good. You are too late.
I
You
know.
see,
You
I
did
already
it?
moved.
You did everything already?
Yeah,
No.
you only have like two stuff from there.
The heavy things are still up there.
That's why it's good to be French. You arrive after the hard work.
Yeah. Hello.
안녕하세요, bonjour. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
My name is Ryu.
I'm Matti.
Mati.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Be careful, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Okay.
Your hand is okay?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow.
Perfect. 50만 원 each.
한국에서는 이사 가는 날에 짜장면을 먹는데요. 저희 그래서 이제 중국집으로 갈 겁니다. Let's go inside. Let's go. 안녕하세요. 짜장면 2개, 짬뽕 하나, 탕수육 하나 시켰습니다. 감사합니다.
We did like 2 different. I need a boyfriend soon.
It's not spicy.
Jajangmyeon is really the...
Most of foreigners, they like to eat jajangmyeon.
Yeah, because it's good, it's not spicy. It's cheap. I think when I came to Korea last year, I just ate it for 1 week straight.
Next to my place.
저희 이제 밥을 다 먹었고요. It was really happy to meet you.
Yeah, of course. Let's do the party.
Yeah.
Business, I mean the business.
Of course.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, famous influencer. Thank you very much.
Of course.
He's really handsome and famous.
Nice to meet you.
Stop touching like this.
Anyway, bye bye.